The boattail comes with a 2-door convertible, inspired by J-class yachts, and constructed on the premium platform architecture. The boattail is 232 inches in length and bores the Phantom 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 and entire stack. It also features over 1,800 new components, including a one-of-a-kind clock and a luxury dining set for alfresco dining. This super luxury car costs $28 million each, and now officially it is the most expensive new car in the world.